Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam no license error. Now the first thing you need to do, or one of the first methods we can follow, is by verifying your game licenses. So just ensure the game you're trying to launch is licensed to your Steam account. You can check this in your Steam library. Next, you can also try clearing the Steam cache. Sometimes clearing the download cache can help fix a lot of minor issues and bugs that are happening within the app. So just head to the Steam settings, then downloads, and click clear download cache. Then you can also try verifying integrity of game files. So just right click the game in your library, select properties, go to the local files tab, and click verify integrity of game files. Now, the fourth method is to run Steam as administrator. So just right click on the Steam shortcut and select run as administrator. The fifth one is by disabling antivirus and firewall temporarily. Sometimes security software such as these can interfere with Steam. Try disabling them temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Next, you can also try checking your internet connection. Of course, it is necessary to have a stable internet connection, and sometimes network issues can cause this error. Lastly, using a VPN or changing network settings may help. So if the issue persists, just try to use a VPN or try to change your network settings. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.